If you're looking for a video to show you how to do a cute pull-through braid, then you are so in the right place because that is exactly what I'm showing y'all how to do today. If this cute little hairstyle interests you, then go ahead and keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to recreate it right now. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here for a bit, if you are new, I am super glad that you are here today. My name is Lauren and my channel is all about making beauty easy for the girl who thinks that she can't. My hope today is that you will consider subscribing and even hitting that notification bell so that you can get alerts every single Friday when I upload new videos. I also have a Facebook community that is for girls just like you and me, where we share products we love, products we hate, and I go live once a week to create a makeup look in real time with you guys on my weekly show called Contour and Converse. If you want to join a community of girls just like you and me, then go ahead and click the link in the description box and join that today. I'm also going to ask that if you are super pumped to learn how to do this cute little sassy hairstyle today, that you would smash that thumbs up button because it helps me out so much. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's content, which is this cute little pull-through braid that a lot of people have been doing, and there are obviously tons of tutorials on this YouTube channel thingy that you can actually go to find this hairstyle, but I wanted to recreate it for you guys because it's one that I've gotten asked about quite a few times, and I thought I would do it for y'all. So I'm gonna jump into some footage of me doing a voiceover and creating this hairstyle, which by the way is really hard to do without a mirror. So I probably should have filmed it in my bathroom, so it's not as perfect as I would like it to be, but you guys will see it anyway, and it gets the job done as far as the style goes. It still looks pretty good, if you ask me, without a mirror. I hope you guys enjoy it so much. I enjoyed filming it, and of course, I will see you on the other side of the tutorial. All right, well, hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started with elastics, a teasing comb, a paddle brush, some hairspray, and some clippies. So the first thing I do is I always tease the front end of my hair. As you guys know, I love a little bit of volume. I say this every hair tutorial, but I think you guys know that by now. The only thing I will tell you is that my hair was super dirty, and not even just the dirty part, but it had so much tease in it from just styling in the days previous that I really probably should have washed it and started with clean hair. This hairstyle does work best when it's dirty, but it does work best whenever you don't have a crap ton of tease in it, so yeah. Okay, so grab one of your tiny little hair elastics and grab the hair right around the edges of your forehead. Just a little bitty portion of it will be perfect. And then you're going to put that in a little bitty ponytail like I am doing. Don't worry about the tease right now, we'll work it out at the end. Just get it super tight to your head. Then you're going to take your fingers and just go into the next little section of your hair. I flipped that forward just to keep that out of the way. And I usually do brush it out because you want to try to keep all the bumps out as much as possible. Again, if you don't have those teasers, here's what our hair, doing a video like this, it actually works better. And here's the easiest part about this whole thing. It's literally just separating and then tying in a new ponytail each time. So I separated it, I pulled those two down, and then I brought in the hair from the next section down, brushed it out, put a ponytail in it, and I'm just gonna repeat this process all the way down my head. It's super duper easy. The only thing that gets tiring is your shoulders are going to get a freaking workout, so just saying. And here's where I start using the clips just because this helps me to keep the hair from flopping around all over. So same thing guys, you're just gonna gather up the hair, put it in a ponytail, and then you split that section in two, like so. And then bring the section that's clipped up right behind those two sections, so just right in between it. Clip that up. Gather up your next section and put it in a ponytail. I mean, it literally is the easiest thing that you could possibly do. As I mentioned, it's just a little bit of shoulder work. So we're gonna complete that all the way down my head, and I do pull out those baby hairs. You guys know I do like a little bit of hair around my face, especially since I tease. I just think it looks better to have a little bit of baby hair. Total sidebar here, but I would like to thank my sister-in-law Brittany for showing me this lovely hairstyle a few years ago. Actually, not quite that long ago. I think last fall before I moved to Florida. Girl, you know this video is inspired by you. I love this hairstyle on your pretty long hair. So thanks, sister. Alright, so as you guys can see, I wanted to show you that it messes me up a little bit at times too. Since my hair is shorter, it's a little bit harder to get the clippies in the further down that I go. And honestly, I'm going to link some different clips for you guys in the description box because I miss the old tooth clips Those seriously were my favorite, and these suck, just being honest. All right, so same thing, guys. You're gonna go all the way down, and now that we're at the end of the ponytail, here is what we do. So I'm gonna flip around for you guys and show you how I do the back. So I just separate, pull the hair in the middle, and put a ponytail around it. It is super duper simple. You just follow that path all the way to the end of your hair, and that's what makes this hairstyle so quick and so easy. Again, separate, pony, separate, pony. And then from here, once we put it in a ponytail one last time, so that's both ponytails together, we're gonna do my favorite part, which is actually pulling apart the braid. So the biggest parts of your braid that are gonna be pulled out are gonna be from the top, and it naturally is gonna get smaller as you go down. And you guys can see there's a few spots where you can see the hair ties. It's completely normal. I do my best to cover them up, but it's a little tough sometimes. So that's why I do the brunette ones. And then what you're going to do is actually pull the hair out from the parts that you teased. And in any part that you can't do with your fingers, you can actually take your teasing comb and pull it back through on the parts that are still just not out where you want it. This is basically the part where you get it how you like it, girl, and whatever that is, that's what it is for you. And then from here, you guys, I'm gonna show you what the back looks like once I'm done, just getting it exactly how I like it. Oh yes, but first we're gonna spray it with hairspray. Forgot about that part. So yeah, spray it, girl. You know you gotta hold that. And that's what it looks like from the side, and let me show you guys the back, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys loved it so much. All right, as mentioned, I so enjoyed filming that for you guys today, and I hope that you try it out. It's really not as complicated as it looks. I love the style itself because it does look more complicated than what it actually takes to recreate it. And I will say this, as I mentioned in the intro, go ahead and use a mirror. It is a little harder to do when you can't see. So a lot of times if I can't see something, I'll shut my eyes and try to do it. And for whatever reason, my brain can concentrate on it harder if I'm not focusing on other things going on around me. So try that, that might help you out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this style before, or if you have an easier way to do it or a better way, or what you love about this style or what you want to try. Any of those things, just connect with me down in the comments. You guys know I love that so very much. And that's going to be a wrap for this video. So of course I will see you guys next Friday on my channel for another video coming your way then. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Hashtag Reform Tomboy Family. Bye-bye.